and welcome everybody. I'm the GamePro232 and I'm here to show you how to make a mana regeneration potion in Terraria with my trusty pet penguin that I have just killed. Oops. Okay, maybe he's not that trusty. Anyway, let's get on with this tutorial. You will need 1 bottle of water, 1 moon glow, 1 day bloom, and 1 fallen star. To get a bottle of water, you will need 1 glass. To craft 2 bottles on a furnace. To craft those 2 bottles into bottled water, you will need to stand in any type of water of any amount and craft bottled water in the potion session. And then you can take one of those and make a potion with it. To get a moon glow, you can find it growing in the underground jungle biome. And the easiest part about getting this stuff, which is really easy to get moon glows if you really focus on it, it's pretty easy to find them because they literally glow. And if it's a dark corridor or something like that, cave, yeah, you know where that goes. You get a day bloom, you can go to an overgrown, pure green grass biome, and swing your sword like a maniac. And if you pick one up, hooray, I guess. To get a fallen star, all of us should know how to get that, but I'm going to tell you anyway. You can just pick it up on the ground, from the ground. Yeah. At night. It'll fall from the sky. As you can see, here's the mana regeneration potion. Consumable, increased mana regeneration, and has a 2-minute delay. You craft this on an alchemy station. To craft an alchemy station, you simply place an empty bottle on a crafting table. I craft it, and I'm going to show you the effects of it. So as you can see, here you go, I'm using my mana, and then just observe the speed that my mana regenerates. And as you can see, it's already pretty fast. It gains momentum as it goes. And when you drink the magic mana regeneration potion, just watch how fast that goes. That is just a major change. Like, that is crazy mana regeneration. I want to see that again. That is wonderful. This is a very good combo with the magic power potion. But yeah, anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please be sure to hit that like button. And if you really loved it, please be sure to subscribe, and maybe even hit that bell button to become part of my notification squad. This has been the GamePro232 teaching you how to make a mana regeneration potion, and I'm out. See you later, folks.